how to create the resume easier and attract to other companies or what designation that we are searching for. The first point that we need to provide our photo. The opposite people. When it comes to the civil engineer, we need to go to site and we need to meet the client and we need to discuss with the people, those we need to handle the people, those who are around us. So they wanted to see the photos. Like if it's Aadhaar card, they want us proof like, okay, this is the person we are. Like the same nowadays, they ask us to provide the photo so that they come to know, okay, this is the person exactly come for interview, and they don't want to prove other than that. So this is important to give your photo to the resume. This is shows you're confident well. If some people have background verification and some people those who have done mistake, it's not related with the resume. I just wanted to discuss with you normally. If you people though those who have done mistake, they have shame to show their photo. But when it comes to resume, if you did not do any mistake or done nothing, like only you wanted to do the career job, obviously you will go and show your photo to the company, because when it comes to the professional way, they will not misuse your photo. So you can provide your photo first. And what is the dress code that we need to provide for the photo should be, when it comes to the photo, the next point that we need to discuss, if it comes to the photo, we need to give a professional look first. This chudidar, many people ask them to paste, and many people they go for the modern dress. But when you ask me what is the photo which is good to give a good look to the company or something, that I just suggest you to go with coat model. You don't want to buy the coat for this, especially taking the photo or something. Many people will ask, because of the resume that we need to buy a coat, no need. Shoot or coat, that we will ask Photoshop to remake our body with the coat, and there is your photo will be there. This is the type that I have been used in my resume, and it speaks well also. And the second point, what is important to show things in your resume. First things, photo that we have been discussed. The another thing, what is the designation you are searching for. So many people they do resume in the top list and curriculum vitae in the top list, means top pages of the resume. But nowadays they come to know, okay, this is the resume that we are going to send them, and they know well the paper it belongs to the resume. So my suggestions, you can do, instead of resume typing, that you can choose what is the designation of yours. Company wanted to know, many companies, the HR, they don't know what is the descriptions of your designations. Designation, it's meaning, my designation is a rebar detailer. If you go in the design engineer, your designation is a design engineer. So that thing, HR people will come to know easier. But what is the work of it? For example, if I am a rebar detailer, and there is two types of standard method we have been followed. One is the BS standard, another one US standard. Completely US standard, it's different that US or Canada, they have been following. If it's a BS standard, that the British standard that we are following in Dubai. So two types of HR will handle our resume. The management always ask HR to get the resume for the rebar detailer or get the resume from the design engineer. So they simply tell them to get the details from those, and they will come to know your resume. If they wanted to pick your resume immediately, so the first things, instead of resume typing, that you will go for the top page, that what is the designation you are searching for. So it's easy for them to pick your resume easier. For example, if you are giving the resume and they come to see on their table that the next place there is rebar detailer in the top position, there is another resume, and in their hand there is a resume, they'll have the resume with the resume title. If you are in that place, where do you pick? Obviously we will go and search for the where it's the giving title as a rebar detailer. So which is attract them and which is easier them to find what we are going to give a resume to them. This is the second point. One we have discussed photo. The another one, what is the designation you are searching for, we need to provide in the top of our resume. Third point that we need to consider, these are all fine, everything is good, and they pick your resume as a rebar detailer or design engineer, whatever it's, they come to know, okay, this is the resume that they are searching for. The experience of those resumes will capable of, they'll start to search. So the second point that you wanted to add, this is the rebar detailer, and you can bracket what is the exact experience that you have. For example, I'm having BS standard. In bracket, I have mentioned like BS standard, or what you have experience in US standard also you can mention. But when you telling truth to the resume or to the people, that they will take you exactly what you want, and so that they won't get any distraction from your resume. So these are all the things that we need to add. One photo, the another one is the designation, example Reba detailer, and bracket what is exactly you are looking for. I am looking for BS standard, so I'll going to type BS standard in the bracket near to the Reba detailer. After that, what is the experience? For example, if I am having more than 10 years experience, that I'll give a title below that the Reba detailer. I'm going to give a what is the experience of the Reba detailer. Then if it's a design engineer, even you have the 1 or 2 experience, kindly go with the exact experience you have. When it comes to resume, you should not tell lie to the people. For example, if I'm having 10 years experience, then I just wanted to mention it. Okay, if they wanted to pick the resume so that I'll go and write like not 12 years, 13 years. Then once they'll come to know your resume and everything perfect, they started to call you. Once they come to know all the details of you from the resume and they will perfectly okay with you, then they will call you for telephonic interview. While telephonic interview, they ask you to introduce yourself. In the time, you will say all the things as per the resume. But when you reach the people and they come to know, okay, you are the less experience that they are searching for, when the first meet itself, you will start to break their hope or break their belief. So don't lie in your resume. This is the point I just wanted to tell you people. And then the final, they will start to search what is the education. When you completed your experience, there is education will speak less only. But if you are junior, there is more chances of speaking education. For example, if you are having 5 years experience and 10 years experience, if you are completing the diploma and there is one person completed 2 years experience and completing BE, obviously in Reba detailer they will going to pick you as a diploma only, because in diploma finishing they will have 5 to 10 years experience. But when you reach the company with the resume, most of the time the experience will speak, not education. But when you are junior, the education will speak you more important. And another thing that we need to consider, what is the software that we need to give a proof to them. So if I'm a Reba detailer, I just wanted to mention in the first page of what is the software I have been handling related to the Reba detailer. For example, AutoCAD and Tekla, Revit architecture that we have been discussed in the previous video. If you did not yet see it, I just attached in this video below link that you will go and search it for. So as a Reba detailer, what is the main software that I have been handled? AutoCAD, Revit, Tekla, and Primavera P6. Those who are done the BE, what is the software and certificate that you have been through, you will mention into that title or the front page. If it's a MNC company, they will not search only for the Reba detailer. They will call you as a Reba detailer and they develop you based on your software that you have been done before. When we enter into the company, they ask us to go for what are the software that we have been done and which certificate it will speak more powerful. So when you have the certificate for AutoCAD or Revit architecture and then Tekla, Primavera P6, that the opposite person will have full belief. So because of your certificate, the opposite person will come to know that you have full knowledge in the what they are searching for the software. The certification important. If for example, if you want to go AutoCAD, you can finish it with the DZ, Diploma Computer Application, DZA in CSE they are saying. And AutoCAD itself, you go and take a certificate that they will ask you to go 3D dimension, something they will let you learn more. So the certificate will speak more important. We don't want to do the technical courses or something. We don't want to give a proof to them. From certificate, they come to know easier if it's a HR I am saying. So these are all the activities that we have been seen in what is the importance of the resume. One is photo. Another one is what is the designation that you are searching for. For example, I am a Reba detailer. And then what is the standard that you are exactly looking for, BS standard or US standard that you will provide in bracket, or it's based on your requirement only. The another thing, what is the experience, how much experience that you have, that thing we need to add. After they wanted to give a main priority, what is the software that we have been done, so that they'll come to know what is the knowledge that we have based on the software that we have learned. Now we are going to see the main part. We let them know this is the experience that we have. So what is the proof of it, they will ask. So we are started to give a company. The main reason that you will get the immediate job from one company, what is the company that you were working, it is too important. Because based on the company, they will select you as soon as possible. And then what are the company that you have been crashing for, whether they will come to know whether it's a MNC company or the normal company. Because MNC company, you can't get into the MNC company easier. There is many level of interview that you have been facing for. If you once attend the MNC company and then you will go to the small company, they will ask no more question. They will ask you to join the company only. So that is the importance of the MNC company, and they will provide more salary also when it comes to the Reba detailer. Now we are discuss about the company we just wanted to present in the front pages of our resume. So what is the company that we need to provide? For example, if I have completed my BE 2013 or 12, So after that, what is the company that I am going to start? That company we should not mention. The first page, they come to know what is the last month of experience of our company. If they come to know, okay, recently updated will be there, and the opposite person or HR will come to know, okay, these are the person till they have the experience of what is they are searching in the current period. So start the last company that we are working, and then the previous company what we have been working. Continuously we have to mention based on the year and what is the company name and what is the year that we have been working in that company and what are the designation that we have been handled in that company. And the important one, if one company have more branches, so we just wanted to let them know from where exactly we are working. For example, I am a rebar detailer and have 10 years experience, 6 years experience in Dubai, and then 4 years experience in India. So when they will come to know the resume like this, they will attract, your resume will get to know more. When people are in rebar detailer in India as a junior, they will normally do the drawing and they will give a drawing to the checker. And here we don't go for meeting the client, or we don't have discuss with the client more. But when it comes to the Dubai, you need to handle the one project by yourself and you need to meet the client, and you are the one person to handle all the rebar detailer things. So this is the difference between India workers and the Dubai workers. And they will ask you to go to the site and they will ask you to get the details from there, and they ask you to meet the client and discuss by yourself only. Because of this reason, I just wanted to say you people, kindly mention the location of company where it been. And if you want to mention it like Dubai experience, this year I have been working in Dubai, and this year I have been working in India, and this year I have been working in Bangalore, or which other location it's more business area, you should let HR or company to know the details. They get to know your resume immediately, and they will pick your resume easier, and they did not ask you even call for the interview. They will have only a telephonic interview and they will choose you. After corona, people are having more trouble to travel from one area to another area. So it's easy for them to identify these are the information that you are providing from the resume, that they will call you immediately and they ask you to join only. They will not ask you for the interview. This is the experience from my resume that I have been facing. So this is the tips I just wanted to give you. The final thing that we need to add into the cover page of our resume, summary, all you know. What is my summary that I just wanted to let you know. If it's useful for you, you can go for that. Some junior people will take, what is the summary of those details. We will Google it and take that one. The HR or company will come to know it's a normal summarization that we will give for the resume. And what my summary that I always wanted to other people let know. These are the experience that I have as a rebar detailer. I have handled as a position TL, and then I was working as a checker also. And then I am capable of doing the rebar detailing, sharp drawing, and making BVS immediately. So these are all the main point the opposite person will get to know and attract them the details easier. Until what we have been discussed just for only cover page. And there is 3-4 pages. I have seen many resumes when I was in a position of TL, because I am in a position to take the interview, those who are coming to our company or to the organization. Because of this reason, I came to know we need to search in the resume what position they have been handling. And I was in a position to struggle that they did not mention it properly. From that experience, I just wanted to share these points. It's useful for you to identify resume to yourself and to others also. We are going to discuss little review of what we have been discussed just before. One is the photo. Second thing, what designation that you are handling. And in the designation, what exact role that you have been handling. And then what are the experience that you have been crashed through in that exact designation. And then what are the company that you have been recently facing, and what is the designation that you have handled in that company. The company where it is location, the location of the company we should enter into that, so that they come to know we are the worker from India or foreign countries, so that it will attract the HR or companies will more. The fourth one, what is the software that we have been handling. We need to mention the software that we are related to the designation what searching for. Other than that, for example, if you are completing the Primavera P6, which is not related to the rebar, so you will add it into the last, so that they come to know, okay, these are the software the people should learn. So it's easy for them to learn easier also. And then the summary, it should be below your photo, that these are all the experience that we have as a rebar detailer, and what is the position that you are handled well. And if you have any award or something, that you will mention in that summary also. The people will get to know you more easier and they will start to pick your resume faster. This is the cover page that we always used to say, and you can tell it as a resume also. The first page itself that we need to add one important detail. Okay, these are the details that you have been entered. And they will search you. Okay, this is the person is suitable for this position, and they wanted to contact you, right? So in that time, you just wanted to enter your location and your contact number and your mail id important. When it comes to in the professional way, that you need to say them, this is the mail id that I have, this is the phone number that I have, so this is the location, because they want you to join immediately or something. From the location they come to know, okay, we will let them discuss and then we will call the people. So location, phone number, and then the mail id, we need to provide it front pages or else cover pages of the resume. The second page and third page, what is the company that you have mentioned in the front page, you are going to explain to them what is the project that you have been handled and what are the project name that you have been handled, what is the difficulty that you have been facing in, and what is the award that you have been handled in the company, and that if you are act as a TL, you will explain those are all the things that you feel like getting award something, that you will explain those. And if I am a rebar retailer, for example, I will work in the one company. The second page I just wanted to show you. The second place I just wanted to explain you. For example, company name and location I enter, and what is the description that I just wanted to share. So this is the main point that we need to consider for the resume cover page. These are the explanation that I have given you only for the cover page. The next page and third page, fourth page and will be there based on your experience or based on the company. We need to explain more. So next video we will see and more clearly. Video that I'm going to tell you the important point that we need to add, and it's easy to get from what we have in our hand, that is the phone, and what they are searching for is related to what we are looking for. Everything in this world related. So I just wanted to give a tips in next video. Until